It's finally the end of the year and it's time to get ready for the day. Good morning. Good morning. চলো এবার আমরা ব্রাশ করতে যাবো চলো আসো আসো My 1-year-old has finally mastered her skills to brush her teeth on her own. So here we are on our way to go ahead and brush her teeth. Let's go. চলো If you are new here, welcome aboard. My name is Mona and this is my life. I'm gonna share with you. Today's itinerary is very simple. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna spend time as a family, cooking at home, a home cooked meal with some going outside in the evening. There is going to be a Bellevue night market in the evening, so we'll be there. Right now we are all decked up to go ahead and go to the Bellevue night market, which is happening in Bellevue. It already started from 3 and it will be there till 9 p.m. However, it is currently 7 p.m. over here. We plan to come back home, have our dinner, and then get some rest so that we can head back out around 11 to get our spot in front of the Space Needle because we're going to visit the fireworks today. Welcome to Bellevue downtown. If you haven't visited or haven't seen my vlog for the Snowflake Lane, go ahead and see that. It has a detail of the Bellevue downtown with the shops and all, but this is how Bellevue downtown looks at night. And we are finally here at our destination. We've parked our car. On the left hand side is the downtown park, where currently there is an ice skating rink, and it did close. However, we were planning to go there, but then we saw it was closed already, and now we are on our way to the Bellevue night market. If you have been to the Seattle Christmas market, it is exactly like that. The vibe was exactly like that. Instead of a closed space, it was in the like a road, inside roads of the Bellevue Way, and it was very packed. I did not expect so many people. Obviously, it was 31st night. Nobody wants to stay home, and it was like 7 p.m. So, a lot of people were coming out, going to the parties right then and there, and then straight ahead to see the fireworks. Maybe because of that, but it was completely packed. I did not expect it would have been this much crazy. But I didn't get to see a lot of shops since it was people everywhere. This was it. This is the only view I could get. I would say next time if the market pops up, it is definitely like an afternoon stroll kind of a thing, but not in the evening or at night, especially with smaller babies. Next, we headed towards the Bellevue Downtown Park. This was my very first time coming to the park, and I did not expect this to be so big, but it's kind of nice. I kind of loved the park. This isn't my first time watching Bellevue at night, but definitely my first time watching Bellevue from the downtown park. And I would say, yes, our city is gorgeous. If you have seen Seattle, I would say definitely go ahead and get a sneak peek of Bellevue at night. I would say it's peaceful, quiet, and it's amazing. This being in the heart of Bellevue is a perfect place to go ahead and gather if you're gathering for summer or winter picnics. There is two playgrounds specifically for children from 5 to 12 or from 2 to 5, and there are walking trails where you can walk your dog, you can walk yourself. It is absolutely gorgeous. And if you haven't visited this place yet, I would say definitely give it a visit, both times in the evening and in the morning. This place is absolutely gorgeous in two different auras. This was completely one of the photo ops that we opted out to take our picture as a family, and we didn't miss it. I would suggest don't miss it yourself as well. And with that, we headed back to our home to have a dinner and some rest before we head back to Seattle for the fireworks for the night. And with that, we headed back to Seattle to watch the fireworks. It is 11 o'clock, and we headed a little bit earlier so that we can find parking, because people are over there from 10:30, I believe so. So it's gonna be a challenge to find parking near the Space Needle. The fog is hovering over, so let's see how the show goes. Plus, another challenge is Baby C is currently asleep. So yeah, we have to, I don't know what's going to go happen, but let's see. We are right in time. It is almost 15 minutes to go for the show, and we are still in, you can see, in traffic. There is no parking at all, but we are going, the traffic is really slow, so we are kind of staying in the lane, in the middle lane, so we can find something around, or if not, we'll just stay on the road to just watch the fireworks from our car. Hopefully we can do that, so let's see. Amazon Sphere. if you know ना Amazon और कार्ड लगा ना आज तक Although we missed the drone show, but we were right in time to watch the fireworks. And guess what? With no parking, it was right in front of the Space Needle. With Sarah sleeping, no parking, cold outside, I think this was for the best. The clock is ticking. And it was finally time. People are gathering. And now we have the countdown started already. So enjoy the show.
2, 4,
3.
2, 1.
Yay! Happy New Year! Woo-hoo!
Oh.
Wow! এত ধোঁয়া কিছু দেখা যাচ্ছে না আর বন্ধ করো Yay! এই কুয়াশায় ভরে গেল গো
হ্যাঁ
Wow. ব্যাস পুরনো বছর শেষ নতুন বছর শুরু আবার 365 ডেজ আমি বলবো
And with that, we bid farewell to the old 2023 and we have welcomed the new year. So let's begin our new challenges, new memories, and all new happiness, all in 2024. May you have a blessed 2024.
আমাদের তরফ থেকে
সবাইকে জানাই
হ্যাপি নিউ ইয়ার সারা পেছনে ঘুমাচ্ছে বলতে পারলো না বাট সবাইকে হ্যাপি নিউ ইয়ার আপনাদের আগামী বছর খুব 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 ভালো কাটুক আর খুব সবাই যেন সুস্থ থাকে সবার যেন সব মনস্কামনা পূর্ণ হয় এই নিয়েই আবার 365 ডেজ আমরা শুরু করছি very 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 happy new year stay healthy stay safe and enjoy to the fullest bye